Hey everybody, we're here and we're gonna make a hog bomb. We're about to go hog hunting today, so we're gonna blend all this stuff up and see if we can get a hog tonight. Alright, so we got Fruit Loops, lemonade, I guess, pickle relish.
What? Yeah, speak up.
Pickle relish, honey, cherries, Parmesan cheese, strawberry jelly, grape jelly, peanut butter, salad toppings, chocolate flavor, sour cream, strawberry cream cheese, stuff you get at a Japanese place, ranch, sour duck sauce and soy sauce, pear, potato, and mango, I think?
No, grapefruit.
Grapefruit. Chocolate syrup, mighty mango juice, tortilla, chunky salsa, got a little bit
Tostitos chunky salsa.
We got diet green tea, we only have a little bit of that left. Orange juice, Mountain Dew, and
What are we going to do with it?
we're going to put it all in this blender and see if we can make ourselves some hog.
Alright, here we go. Hold on.
Very essential. Always put on a lid before you go get putting a hog on.
Just leave the lid on and pull off that little plastic part we showed you last time.
That smells like fruit. Actually, don't smell too bad. Put it in there like that. Put this stuff in there now?
Oh yeah. First, let's do this. Isaac, put the lid back on it. All the way on. Just got real hard. And pull off that little bit of plastic piece. Put the rest of our fruit in. And save the liquid. Oh yeah. Now, what else we got? How's you gonna throw it in? Mom, tell me what that is. Shrimp sauce.
Oh, gross! It wouldn't come out.
Just spoon it. What's that? What is that? Let's see, look at it, show it to me. Yeah, use a spoon for that too.
It's still moving. We're gonna put the soy sauce in.
What's soy sauce? What's that called?
It's always use safety scissors.
That's right. So you won't put your eye out.
It has to. Alright, we can give it a good grind and we'll put some more stuff in.
Alright. How about some Fruit Loops over there, Isaac?
And cherries. Fruit Loops. And cherries.
Ooh, yeah. Some maraschino cherries. What are those?
Cherries. That's some big cherries.
Oh, those are good. Cherries. Wipe that up so don't stain my counter, please. Good job.
Okay, we're gonna grind this up.
Oh,
Okay. you
Little
put some
honey.
in there. Can't be adding too much. Shake it up. See if it'll come out. Here it comes.
ew.
Alright, that'll be good right there. Alright, we have strawberry cream cheese, Dean's cultured sour cream, and Peter Pan peanut butter.
Just one scoop.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm gonna put the peanut butter up. Alright. You're gonna try and put in all of that. Alright, next. What is that, Connor?
Strawberry cream cheese.
Alright, while he's doing that, Isaac, go ahead and get show me what's going next. He's next too.
Our salad topping. I just pronounce that
Tostitos.
Tostitos chunky stuff. Flavored syrup. Don't know how.
Getting full, isn't it?
That is.
Alright, go ahead and grind it up a little bit, see if we can get it.
I think now we should pour the rest of it in.
This is our container we're going to use to take it out there. Oh, okay, we'll take that and turn it upside down, attach it to a tree, and punch a hole in it. And it'll leak out so that it'll draw the holes. Alright, we're about done. Here's the final stuff. Alright, boys, go ahead and put it in there. We have some lemon and some lime and understand the right list of it, so I think so there you go. Put it in there just like that. Go ahead, Isaac, and put a little honey in there. Lemon. Go ahead and put that in the mango. Stand to the side. This little bit. There you go. Isaac, put the honey in. Connor's trying to get some of that chocolate about to the top there. Isaac, put a little relish in. We did chocolate.
That's the main
Stand to the
ingredient.
side so we can see it. Put the relish. Alright, grind it up real good for me, Isaac. Let's see what we can get. How's it smell?
Smells like poo.
Here we go. Let's see what that looks like. It's almost like a shake, though.
Dad, you take a sniff of it.
Yeah, not. Ugh.
It's bubbling.
Alright, y'all clean up all the mess, and then we're going to put it in our container. Go ahead and put up all the stuff, clean house just a little bit.
Wait, we didn't put this other stuff in there. We gotta.
Okay, boys, hold it up, Connor. Let's see the concoction, see what it looks like.
Whole bomb.
All
Looks like
bomb.
strawberry smoothie.
Now, what does it smell like?
Death.
It smells like death, but the hogs love it, don't they? Okay, there it is. Hold it up, Isaac. Let's see it.
Yeah.
Turn it around where I can see it.
Looks
Yeah.
like Isaac went to the bathroom.
Ooh. Okay, the hogs ought to be very happy. We'll go see what happens this afternoon, and y'all all look right here at the camera. Look right here, say goodbye.
Bye.
Okay, Matthew, look right here first. This is our new hog bomb. We get ready to go give some to the hogs. And that thing has, what in it, Connor?
Fruit, peanut butter, jelly, and all that stuff. Oh, and it looks like really rotten chocolate milk.
We put cream cheese in there and relish and honey and what was the stinky stuff we put in there?
It's like kiwi or something.
Relish.
All right, well I'm gonna do it because if not, I'm gonna not want to.
Take a good whiff though first.
Just.
And now you see if he can do it without throwing up. He's gonna throw up. Let's say throw up. Ooh, here it comes. Ooh, them hogs gonna like that, cause if it makes you want to throw up, then you know that is good.
That wasn't even as big as that. Wasn't one.
Can I try it?
Yeah, go ahead, help yourself.
That one was a lot.
That's just getting ready to go with me, hog hunting, right?
Dad.
Matthew, look right here.
Dad, that was a smaller cat than that other one. He about threw up that time.
And look. Tell us all about it, Matthew. No more spitting. Spitting ruins it.
Terrible.
Was it worse than the other one?
That ain't funny.
Yes, it is.
Isaac, your turn.
Go ahead. Go ahead and throw up.
Go ahead, Isaac.
That makes for good movie making.
Ooh,
No, Isaac, no, you're
stay
going
up
with me
there
tonight. I'm not going to have you acting all goofy. Ugh.
Let him do it. Let him do it.
No.
Please.
Okay.
Yes. I count from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ew, you're crazy.
3, 2.
You're just making it worse. If you just knock it back instead of quit. You didn't even swallow it. You got to do that again.
Yeah, it is. I'm not going to drink it. I won't blame it.
Yeah.
I know I'm not going to drink it.
Why y'all doing that? Yeah.
Don't try and make yourself throw up, Isaac. He's trying to make it.
That sounds foul.
Go throw it.
Okay, that's enough. Come on, let's go. We got to go hunting now.
Ow. That's what you were doing.
So, is this a good way for us to be able to tell if the hogs will like it?
Yes.
If it's really, really bad?
Yes.
Okay, look right here, Isaac. Tell everybody bye.
Bye.